Hi, if you're new here, my name is Julia and I'm from the Bay Area, California. And on today's episode of My Life,
I'm still visiting John in Florida and we're going to EDC this weekend. It was such a fun time until it wasn't.
I lost my phone.
But anyway, come join me as I get ready for the festival and just hang out and vibe the entire time. Enjoy!
See that?
Good morning. It's Saturday. Wait. Sunday. Today we have a big day. Big day ahead of us. Going to EDC. So I have to get ready. Gotta do my makeup, put my outfit on, all the things. And EDC's in Orlando, which is like an hour and a half away, 2 hours-ish. It's currently like 9:30 right now, so I think we're gonna leave at like 1 o'clock. That's the plan for today. It's pretty much gonna be like the whole day until 1 a.m., 2 a.m. I don't know how much I'm gonna film, or I don't know how much I'm gonna talk, because I think it's just gonna be like music the whole time. Anyway, okay, I am gonna do all the things I need to do, and we're gonna get going. So, see you on the road. Or actually, I'll see you when I get all my stuff figured out. Yeah, okay, bye. On a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you for EDC?
Like 8.
Oh, who are you excited to see?
Galantis, John Summit. That's pretty much it.
I'm tired, so I don't know. I don't want to go. Why would you get this? I don't understand. Okay, I'm gonna start my makeup now, and I really hope I don't do birthday makeup because that's gonna be a little crazy. And because my outfit's gonna be like sparkly vibes, I don't wanna like do too much on my face, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna just do my normal makeup, okay? And then just to make it a little bit more glam, I'm gonna try to do these like lash extension thingies. They're like really cool, like spiky vibe. And then if that doesn't work out, I also brought like a backup lash. So that's the vibe. And let's hope I don't go a little too overboard because I don't want to look like a clown. Yeah. guys, look! My eyes are so cute. And then I put like lashes on. Fire. I need to do my hair really quick. It's like 12:30, so we need to leave in like 30 minutes. And I gotta pick an outfit that I still low-key haven't decided on, but it's fine. We'll make it work. Okay, girly, I did my hair. I did my makeup. I haven't changed yet. I'm gonna change at the Airbnb because we don't have time, and I think we're gonna get lunch, so, and I don't want to wear like the outfit. Anyway, almost ready. We gotta go, and we're running late, so as usual. Woo!
Project news. I'm recording from John's phone, but I lost my phone, unfortunately. So, rest in peace, okay? Ah, I'm so sad. This is too much for me. This is too much.
Hello guys, a little update. A very sad update actually. It's currently 3 a.m. We're in the Airbnb. I showered and I took off all my makeup and I feel very clean and very happy. However, I lost my phone, or I think someone stole it, which is very unfortunate because like my phone has my entire life on it. I'm just like really praying and hoping that my iCloud is all backed up because the photos I can't replace. Like I can replace the phone, it's fine, but like the photos, the videos, like I can't replace that. You know? Anyway, pro tip, if you go to a concert or festival, hold on to your phone. Yeah. It's good advice that I should have taken. But anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep now, and that's it for today. Morale is very low. Good night. Good morning. Actually, it's a bad morning. We just got back to John's apartment. Obviously, I still don't have my phone because I lost it last night. That also means I need to get a new phone. And basically, I'm pretty sure someone stole my phone because like I'm looking on the Find My iPhone app thingy and I put it on lost mode and I'm pretty sure they turned off my phone. Like they grabbed my phone, stole it, turned it off, and now they're on their way with my poor phone. Also, to give you more context, this is how they stole my phone, or at least I think they stole my phone. Basically, so I was so excited because I got this phone strap. I was like, oh, like I can put this around me and then like I will never lose my phone. It's so good, yay. But they just popped my phone out of the freaking case. Yeah, I think because it was just hanging like this, they just like opened it out and took my phone. Because I don't think like I was jumping and then it fell out, because there's no way that it would do that, you know? And if someone picked it up, they would call me back because we've been calling the phone for like probably like 10 times now and they turned it off. So that means they stole it. So today I gotta go get a new phone. Can't do my job without my phone, obviously. I think we're gonna go to the Apple store today. Yeah. But I guess this means I get the new iPhone. Unless I get the iPhone 15, I don't know. But the newest iPhone is the iPhone 16. And I just looked at the trailer for the iPhone 16 Pro. It looks kind of good. So the mics that they have look very attractive in a functional way, not aesthetically. It's currently noon. I think we need to probably go to the store now so I can go browse the new phone so I can get a new phone. Yeah. But luckily, oh my god, all my photos are backed up on iCloud, which is good. However, I did lose a lot of like basically all the footage from the festival last night, but it's fine. I don't even want to remember that anyway. Also, my eyelash extensions kind of stayed on, which is kind of nice. I kind of like this vibe. Anyway, I'll see you at the store. Toodles. What's up, guys? This is the outfit of the day. Outside Walmart. Best queen. Gonna go get some flea powder.
No, don't say that. There's no fleas here.
Got 'em. We got
It's a little haul for you guys.
Flea killer for carpets.
Yes.
Because we have a mini flea infestation in my room because I
He's
fostered
dirty.
I fostered a cat like 2 months ago and he had fleas, but we like gave him a bath, gave him like the medication, and I kind of let him in my room. So now we have fleas, so we're gonna kill him.
Yeah, they need to leave because I have bites all over my legs and it's not a vibe, guys. It's not a vibe. Anyway, the next plan is we're getting lunch because I'm starving. Like, we're gonna go to the mall and go to the food court and see what they have there. And then we can go to the Apple store and get my phone.
What you doing?
Let's go.
No sauce.
We're going to the Apple store, obviously. Whoa, wait, what?
I mean, I would probably.
Dude, look how cool this is. You just press this.
Any device.
Correct.
At y'all, and I get new phone for $149.
Whoa, wait. That's so cool. Bruh.
Push. Okay.
Girl.
Can you flashlight me?
Go, go,
Can you flashlight me?
go,
Can't see.
go. Get the fleas, get the fleas.
If anyone wants to donate to help me get a Dyson, that'd be great. 'Cause this thing sucks.
Hello. I said that I was gonna unbox my iPhone. However, I needed to order a phone case and a screen protector. So we're gonna wait until those arrive tomorrow because I don't wanna open my phone and then like hold it and then like I might drop it and it just might crack and die. So instead, guess what else arrived in the mail? My freaking Ultra Human ring. I've been waiting for this for literally so long. But anyway, here's the unboxing. This is basically, if you don't know, it's a smart ring, and I had sized myself and I decided that I was a size 6 and I'm hoping that that's my actual size. But oh my god. Wait, what? Okay, Ultra Human Ring Air. I also got it in the silver color because I'm a truanter. Yeah. Oh, look. She's gorge. Wait, what? Okay, just give me a second. Okay, hello? I hate pamphlets. Instructions. I think this is the charging block. Hella stickers. Anyway, let's look at the ring and I want to make sure that it fits. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's honestly like lighter than I thought it was gonna be. Like it looks heavy. But yeah, let's see. Okay. Oh, that fits pretty good actually. I'm just worried that like when I'm like hot and I'm getting like sweaty, my finger's gonna swell and it's not gonna fit. But maybe I can put it in my ring. Oh yeah, okay. This fits this one well too. Okay, so I'll put it on my index finger and then when I get all hot and sweaty, I'll put it on my ring finger. Cool. How do I even turn this on? Whoa, that's cute. Okay. Okay, let me read this and I'll be right back. So basically it says to download the Ultra Human app. So I'm getting it on my iPad and then I need to charge the ring for like 30 minutes before I actually pair it to the app and then we can get started. So I'm gonna quickly charge this guy and I'll be right back. Okay, dude, it's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna connect the ring. I got the Ultra Human app. I'm gonna click connect. Oh my God. It like immediately found it. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope I can like sync this to my phone. I'm so excited. You can basically like track so many things like your sleep levels, your heart rate, and like it also tells you when is like the best time to like consume caffeine. Oh my God, okay.